Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I made a video about Snap To, which is right up here, and you've got 4 options or 5. Page, I don't ever use baseline or document grid, but I use guidelines, object, and page. I don't have them selected right now, and you can see it won't snap to it. Well, I stated the other day that I didn't think this was available in earlier versions, but I just went out to the shop and it's right there in 2017, X7. So it's been there a good long while. But also, if you just want to snap to object, you can alternate Z and then it will snap to that object. And it'll show you the nodes and it'll snap to. And if you go back now, if we go up to snap to, it's checked because I did alternate Z. Now I thought that's okay, but I want to be able to have a short. So this is inside Corel. This is a hotkey inside Corel. Well, why don't we make one for page? So you could do it with page. So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization, and we don't really know where it is. And normally you can go up to the item, but in this particular case, you can't. So if we go over to View, and Snap To Page, it shows you right there. There's the Snap To page. So we can write a new shortcut, and let's see if alternate P works. It's not taken by anything else. So let's assign it and then say okay. So if we look, page is not selected. And if I want this to snap to this page, or more so, if I want my rulers to snap to that page, they don't do it. So I'm going to go alternate P. And if we look right here, now the page is selected and I can very easily bring in my indexing lines and have it snap to it, or have my box snap to it. So alternate Z is one I think that's always in all Corels, and then you can make an alternate P. It's not that big a deal because you can go right here and turn them on and off. And I like snapping to guidelines because if you bring in a guideline, let's turn on the guidelines and bring in a guideline, we can have this snap to that guideline because we've got it selected. So that is a shortcut, but it's not really necessary because it's too convenient because it's right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.